Hi everyone, I wanted to show you this yin yang mask. It's one of our epic lines, which is made from all of our amazing plant-based products from world famous ethnobotanist Paul Cox. We just got back from snowboarding and we were out in the elements. I know I don't drink enough water, and so I can get sort of like rough looking skin. Look at these guys. So this has jasmine in it, porcelain flower, which is really good for smoothing the skin. This nourishes the skin, and then it also detoxifies because it has encapsulated activated charcoal. So you put it on and it's a sort of bluish color. And then if you want to detoxify your skin, okay, so we're in the hot tub right now and we're swimming in our local swimming pool. And so there is chlorine that we're exposed to. And my skin is quite sensitive skin, so it doesn't do well when it has all these other impurities on it. Ooh, I don't even wear that much makeup or foundation or anything. This is a good look. Okay. People make themselves look so beautiful when they do these masks. I don't know how. So then I'm just gonna leave it on for like 10 or 15 minutes while it dries. So to nourish the skin, you would just leave it, and then if you have areas that you want to activate the charcoal and detoxify, you would just like rub it. And so, it's a little cold. So if you just, it's been a little rough, so it's already the activated charcoal. So it's this encapsulated charcoal that when you go in a circular motion, it helps to pull out impurities. There, that's a good look. So I'm going to try to detoxify my skin here while I relax with my 3 children and watch them. And that's it. Then you leave it for 10-15, wash it off, and do it once or twice a week, and you will see you have visibly smoother, softer skin with more good minerals and antioxidants in it, and detoxify all the junk that sits in my pores and collects.